Looking for the best WordPress themes in 2025? Well, if you're like me, scrolling through options, wondering which one is actually worth your time, because let's be real, there are way too many choices out there, and half of them look the same. So stick around because I've been looking into the ones people actually use, and I'll walk you through what you should know before deciding. And hey, if at any point you want to check out a WordPress theme that I highly recommend, there's a link in the description, or you can just go ahead and scan that QR code on the screen to get the best price available anywhere. So here's the deal with WordPress themes. Some of them are super simple and great if you want a lightweight starting point, and others give you every feature you can think of in one package. Both approaches have their place, but not all themes handle it well. That's why GeneratePress and Astra sit toward the bottom of this list, and don't get me wrong, they're not bad. In fact, they're super popular for a reason. GeneratePress is all about speed and stability, and that's huge if you care about performance. Nobody wants a site that drags. Astra is more about convenience, especially with its library of ready-to-use templates. The problem is they can also feel limiting. If you want to do more advanced design work or really customize your site without piling on extra plugins, you'll probably outgrow them pretty quickly. Then there's Divi and Extra, and these start to step things up. They're both part of elegant themes, but they each bring something different to the table. Divi is the theme you've probably heard of because it's everywhere. You've got that drag and drop builder that actually makes designing a site less of a pain, and the design packs are a huge plus when you don't feel like starting from a blank page. It gives you a lot of creative freedom without demanding coding skills, which is why so many people stick with it. Now, Extra is more specialized. It's built for blogs and magazine style sites. If you're someone putting out a ton of content and you want it to look polished and organized, Extra is basically built for you. The layouts highlight articles without making the page feel cluttered, which is harder to pull off than it sounds. Both of these themes make it easier to create something that feels professional without spending forever tweaking the details. And then at the top, of course, is Elegant Themes as a whole. The reason it gets #1 is pretty straightforward. You're not just getting Divi and Extra, you're buying into a full membership that comes with a ton of features, a visual page builder, regular updates, and a massive library of layouts and elements. It's flexible enough that you can build pretty much anything with it, whether you're running a store, a portfolio, a blog, or a business site. What makes it stand out is that it keeps evolving. You don't want a theme that feels outdated after a year, and Elegant Themes has been consistent about rolling out new tools and improvements. On top of that, there's the support and community that comes with it, which is always a lifesaver when you run into problems. That combination of flexibility, updates, and overall value is what makes it #1 for me. So if you want to try Elegant Themes for yourself, then check out the link in the description below or the QR code on the screen to get the best price available right now. That's my rundown on the best themes of this year, but now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite WordPress theme? Is there one you always end up going back to? Well, drop it in the comments below. I want to hear what you guys think.